Welcome everybody, my name is Lisa. Today we're going to be making a bunch of baked potatoes in the Ninja Foodi Grill. This is a Ninja Foodi 101 video. I'm baking these potatoes for another recipe, so I said why not? Let me show you how you can bake potatoes in a Ninja Foodi Grill. Welcome to Pressure Crisp and come on over. So to start these potatoes, what you want to make sure is the roasting rack is in and your screen plate is in. Then we're going to go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to turn the Ninja Foodi Grill on. I am going to use the bake function today, and the temp, I'm going to bring it up to 375, and we're just going to hit start. Now it's in the preheat phase right now. So I have a bunch of potatoes that I have washed and dried. I just let them air dry because you want to start with a dry potato. And I figured I have a scale, let's weigh these. This is the little midget in the bunch. You can see the bottom is still a little wet, but I'm just going to weigh this one. 3.8 ounces, 14.2, 13.3, 11.8, and 9.6. So we have a variety of sizes. So I have a stainless steel bowl and I have a fork. The only thing I do, I just go around with the fork and you just want to pierce the skin just a bit. You don't want to go deep, you just want to pierce it like all over the place. So I'm just going to put them in the bowl. Now what I like to do, you can, if you don't have the EVO sprayer, which is fantastic by the way, you really should get one of these. I'm just going to go ahead and spray these potatoes with some oil. I'm just going to take some kosher salt. And you heard the Ninja beep. That means it's preheated and ready for us. You're going to want to be liberal with the salt. You're going to take these potatoes and flip them over. Just like that. Now we're going to spray these potatoes. And I forgot to say, I'm using avocado oil. I have used olive oil and it works fine. Once again, take some kosher salt. You don't have to use as much salt. This is what I do, so you can do it whatever way you would like to. All right, time to put these potatoes in there. Just going to place the potatoes on the bottom. Just like that, and go ahead and lower the lid. So we know it's at, let me go up to the temp, it's 375. Now we want to increase this time. I'm actually going to set it for an hour. The only reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want to run out of time. But we're going to check these halfway through the cooking time, probably check them like in 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. We're going to pop the top. We're going to flip these guys over. They are looking fantastic. Whoa. Little flippage there. There. I am going to temp that little one just to see if he's done. Oh yeah, he's done. Oh yeah. So I'm going to take that little one out. So that little tiny one cooked in 30 minutes. I'm going to take this, put it to the side, and we're going to lower the lid. So we have 10 minutes left on the hour time. I'm going to pop the top here. I am going to take my Thermapen thermometer. I think these guys are done. That one's definitely done. No, a few more minutes on that one. And a few more minutes on that one. You're just feeling for resistance. I am going to let these guys cook, these three cook a little bit longer. I'm actually going to let them go. Let's see, there's 10 minutes left. I am thinking I'm going to check them in 5. So it's been more than 5 minutes. We have a minute 38 left. I just want to make sure that these supersized potatoes are done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And oh yeah. So we're going to take these out, and I always put mine on a wire rack. Beautiful. These are gorgeous, gorgeous potatoes. This is a beautiful, perfect baked potato in your Ninja Foodi Grill. Another great Ninja Foodi Grill 101 video. You master, you get your times down for certain items, chicken, beef, pork, potatoes, then you can put it all together. That's the purpose of these 101 videos, to give you a general idea of how long it does take to cook baked potatoes in your Ninja Foodi Grill. And look at this. This is gorgeous. Time for the taste test. I'm going to dig down so I get a little bit of potato instead of just sour cream. Grab a green onion. So good. And listen to the skin. Oh wait, microphone's here. Yeah, weird. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notifications button. Also join the Facebook group, Twitter, and Instagram. And everybody, I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you and take care.